Today I will be talking about top 5 foods for weight gain in kids. Skip the protein powders and the weight gain pills and go for natural protein rich foods to see the health benefits. I am Prachi Mandolia, clinical nutritionist. Keep watching this video to know the weight gain foods. A lot of mothers come up to me and tell me my child is not gaining weight. I'm giving him extra protein powder or adding extra ghee to their food. Some say we are giving weight gain pills. If your child is healthy and active, don't worry at all. Give them these foods and they'll surely gain weight. The first one is milkshakes. Fruit milkshakes like mango milkshake, banana milkshake, chiku milkshake are excellent for weight gain. Add dates for sweetening instead of sugar and some almonds to make it wholesome. The second one is healthy homemade ladoos. Make high protein ladoos at home in combinations like sattu, that is chickpeas flour with jaggery, sesame seeds, that is til with jaggery, or a combination of almonds, walnuts, dates and cinnamon. Now the third one is potato. If you are looking for weight gain in your child, make sure to add potato daily. You can give them in a form of mashed potato or in any potato vegetable, potato and vegetable cutlet, or any other preparation you can add potato. Now the fourth one is cheese. Cheese is a favorite among all kids. They can eat it as it is, a cheese dosa, cheese omelette, or possibly add it to any preparation. The next one is paratha. Instead of giving plain roti, make them stuffed paratha like aloo paratha, paneer paratha, cheese paratha, sattu paratha, and they'll love it. Do write in the comment section below which food helped your child gain weight. If you enjoyed this video, do like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.